Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ram 1500 headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your new replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Then, simply open the hood to gain clear access to the headlight assembly. This preparation takes just a couple of minutes. Now, let's get that headlight assembly out. Look for the two retaining pins located at the very top of the assembly. With your flathead screwdriver, gently pry up each pin until it's loose, then remove them completely. Once both pins are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward, away from the vehicle. It should slide out smoothly with minimal effort. With the assembly out, it's time to swap the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb by pressing the tab and pulling. Next, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to release it from its housing. Carefully remove the old bulb. Now, insert your new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it securely locks into its position. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new headlight bulb. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original slot on the vehicle. Reinsert the two retaining pins you removed earlier, pushing them down firmly until they click into place. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.